I'm cleaning my teeth, right? All right, my YouTube family and friends. It's in the evening. Tonight we have open house. An open house is just for parents to come in, visit the classrooms, to see where their kids are learning, to meet the teachers who are teaching their children, and to discuss the curriculum. So we have quite a few parents already for the sixth grade. Our team leader, she did a thing to do s'mores, and she's raffling that off for the parents. So the kids receive a little passport that they have to get signed by all the teachers, the special teachers, and all their regular ed teachers. And once they get all those signatures, they'll be able to enter it into a raffle for the gift. So far, parents are coming in. They did serve us dinner. I'm sorry, I had my dinner. It was like a ziti, kind of a pasta meal. It wasn't bad at all. It was good. I like it. That's something I'd like to fix at home. So I did have dinner this time with them. I did have dinner. And I needed that because I needed that energy. Because I didn't do breakfast this morning. I was so rushing to get things done. Then at lunch, I had my 2 eggs I would have had for breakfast with some tea. I have my Milo, like most of it still in my thermos, and I had a banana. So that's what I had for lunch, actually. And then I had the pasta meal for dinner. So I'm good, I'm happy, and it's a great time to meet the parents that we have to work with. We have some awesome children this year. I'm not saying that we don't have those kids. You know, they're growing, they're changing, they're struggling too, but in the midst of all of that, we still have some awesome scholars who they want to learn, they want to do well, they participate. Yesterday, the principal was here. She walked around with some person they're working with, just to look to see what's going on in the classrooms and how they can support if support is needed. So I felt very good this evening. I think that's why I'm I'm so happy. And I spoke to my principal, and she said I had only one thing that they would like to see done is for the kids to turn and talk more. But everything else, she said, "Oh, you got a lot of glows," and I said, that sounds good." So it's uplifting. It's encouraging when you work in this setting, and you know there's so much needs. A lot of multilingual kids, and yet they're coming and they want to learn. So I have some parents coming. People, I'm just saying, blessings wherever you are. Take care and be good to yourselves. Bye bye.